Suvrokamal
recently
Dutta, come in here. Suvrokamal Dutta, come in here. Atar Zia saying this arrest is wrong, but so are the other arrests then earlier too. What do you make of his stand, and also this arrest of Sharmistha Panoli? What does this tell us?
Well, first and foremost, whatever Sharmistha Panoli had said in the heat of the moment and the language which she used was absolutely uncalled for, and I think it was not in a correct way, and such explicit should not have been used. I condemn that. Having said that, then she realized her mistake on a second thought, and she tendered in a public apology, deleted the video, gave in a public apology in social media. I think the matter should have ended there itself. What appalls me is like more senior kind of derogatory statements have been given about Hindu gods and goddesses and about Hindu religion in the past by Mohua Moitro, then by Sharmistha Ganguly, Virat Kim, and the recent explicit used by Anubrata Mandal against a police officer in Bengal. These are something much more horrendous and much more explicit. Out here, one state government's chief minister has the audacity to say about Hindu dharma being a Ganda dharma, and another chief minister of another state says, Sanatan dharma should be eradicated. No court of the country takes in suo motu cognizance of that, and neither it is, any judge issues in the order for sending such type of people who repeatedly keep on committing such kind of activities just to tarnish a particular community and a particular sect and a particular religion. There is no order for judicial remand. That's one. The second thing is like when Kolkata police came into Haryana, as far as my information goes, I think the Gurugram police was not contacted. It is under the mandate of the law that the local police should be contacted before making any arrest. The Kolkata police, as far as the media report says, they did not contact the Gurugram police. Then through transit to Delhi, when they went to Kolkata, by taking flight or by taking train, whatever it is, Delhi police should have been contacted on the transit. That also they did not do it. So this is an utter violation out here. Law of the country also says, and legal jurisprudence always says that if a person is a first-time committer of crime, or if a person has done something wrong for the first time and realizes the mistakes and apologizes before the country, before the community, and before the nation, then the law also takes in leniency and pardons that person. Did this happen in this case? It hasn't happened. Legal jurisprudence of the last 300 years, this is a tradition that a first-time committer is always given a pardon. What was the hasty, what was the haste of the honorable judge? I'm not questioning his judicial observations or his judicial jurisdiction, but I'm asking what was the haste for him to give in this kind of an order? That's the second thing. The third thing question will also arise on the Haryana police as well as the Delhi police. Why were there mute spectators when someone who is in the custody of the legal jurisdiction of that particular state, when she has taken refuge in Gurugram, it is legally binding on the Haryana police and the Gurugram police to give her protection? Why is it that the Haryana police and the Gurugram police chose to remain a mute spectator? Why is it that when she was being taken from a transit via Delhi, Delhi police chose to remain a mute spectator? Why separate kind of laws for different kind of people? And in relation to the arrest of the recent incident concerning the professor of Ashoka International University, the professor concerned, he had supported Pakistan under Operation Sindoor, and he had castigated and questioned Operation Sindoor.
Okay, so that's a separate case, and they shouldn't be clubbed, is what you're saying, Suvrokamal Dutta. Okay.